everyone from far, on all the platforms, social media platforms. This is our first episode of Tappertalks, and we're here for a momentous occasion. This is the grand opening of Fyah Jerk on the beach. We're here with the owner, David Tapper. He's the proprietor of Fyah Jerk in Tollgate, Clarendon, for which he has operated for many years. Before we go any further, I'm going to go right to David to tell us a little bit about himself, about his journey that brought us here to this great occasion. We've had very successful. We've had hundreds of people coming through, enjoying the food, partaking. So David, just tell us a little bit about you and your journey.
Good night, viewers. Fyah started in 2008 with a location pretty much as small as this one. You know, we started doing jerk pork and jerk chicken, and we have consistently added more products to the line every year so far. You know, we started doing business, coming out at 8 in the mornings, closing at 6. Now we go up to about 12 in the nights, serving an average 500 to 600 persons per day.
I can attest, folks, not to interrupt, but I can attest. This is one of the hardest working men out there in business in Jamaica right now. Very passionate about his customers, as everyone around can attest to. Very passionate, very passionate. So go right ahead, David.
We started with 2 persons, it's just me and a server, when we started in 2008 with Fyah. Now we employ about 26 persons full-time, another 6 persons part-time. So you can see where we are headed. And now we're in the beautiful Harmony Beach Park, Montego Bay, on Jamaica Boulevard.
Let me tell you something, folks. If you have not been down to Fyah Jerk on the beach, you need to get down here. This is one of the most spectacular things to happen right here on Harmony Beach Park. I mean, when I came here and tasted the food, just the same as Fyah Jerk in Tollgate. Nothing changed. Great food, great atmosphere. I mean, Fyah Jerk in Tollgate is great atmosphere too. This is just a different iteration of atmosphere. We have the beach in the backdrop. You guys probably can't see it, but we're gonna edit some of the beach in this video to show you guys what you're missing. So we want everyone to come out and support Fyah Jerk on the beach. Today, our grand opening, I mean, we had food, free giveaways, t-shirts, the whole 9 yards. This man knows how to do it all. So Dave, tell us, how do you feel about today's activities? With all the folks that came through, the support you show, you love, what do you have to say about all the love that you received?
Well, Ryan, it has been amazing from this morning. We've had people coming all the way from Kingston, Clarendon, all the way out to Montego Bay to see what we have to offer and to support Fyah on the beach. I'm really grateful, and I want to say thanks to everybody who came out and supported us and really showed us the love and gave us their comments and really supported our grand opening today. Thanks to you all. We're really appreciative of it. We are new to the community, but we are here also to serve the community of Montego Bay.
Right. Well said, my brother. And I have to put a note in there. David is not just the first, second interviewee for Tappertalks. He's also a brother of mine, you know, and he's my older brother, but I know he's gonna correct me. He is actually my younger brother, but I have a lot of respect for this guy. He loves the customers, he loves people. We just spoke to Nydia, who is a birdbush buddy of David, and just asked her about her experience today, and she was overwhelmed. She explained that this has always been David's character. You know, one of a loving nature where he loves to serve the people, and service is where it's at. So Service 100 Fireside Jerk Center, sell off on the beach. Come down, come and support where Mr. Tapper here would love to have you. So you guys take care, have a great one, and God bless. Sir Dave? Respect, respect.